everyone, this is Wen from Wen Group. Today I'd like to showcase 172 Elm in San Bruno to you. This beautiful home is only half block away from Millbrae. I call this area Millbrae. Because it's so close to Millbrae, it's very sunny and no fog. It's also in the flat, so it's not like crazily windy at all. Very convenient to access to all the Millbrae amenity and also both downtown of Millbrae and San Bruno. 你们好，欢迎参观172 Elm 这个房子，精裝修的4房3衛，方正格局，拎包入住。呢度離 Millbrae 淨係半條街咁多，所以天氣又陽光燦爛，而且風亦都唔係好大，好舒適。一齊過嚟睇下。Charming curb appeal and the contemporary exterior finishes leads you to the expansive floor plan. It has 4 bedroom, 2 bathroom in the front parts, and a family room downstairs with 1 bath and a sunroom connecting to it. The family room has its own separate entry. So you can make it a 4-2 plus a 1-1, or a 3-1 plus a 2-2, or just a huge grand luxury residence to enjoy all on your own. This front part of the house has an open living dining room with an updated kitchen, leading us to the outdoor patio and beautiful lush garden for hours of entertainment. Spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom on this bedroom wing, and 1 bedroom out of it is downstairs. It has all the hardwood floor and new closet organizers and new interior doors and windows treatments for you to enjoy. 开放式居住空间，客厅、餐厅、厨房自然流畅，舒适合用，后院也宽敞平坦，满足您和家人对户外就餐、休息各種功能的要求。4房2衛，間房都闊落有光芒。Downstairs extra family room, 1 bathroom, and also a sunroom. There's so many upgrades here. Floor radiance heat in downstairs, added TV plug in the family room, extra storage underneath of the staircase, don't miss them. You can also rent out this unit as 1 bed, 1 bath and enjoy the upstairs 4-bed, 2-bath house all to yourself. Or you can close off the door in this primary suite upstairs between kitchen and the staircase, and then rent out the whole back side outside to collect extra rent and enjoy the front 3-bedroom, 1 bathroom to yourself. Or, as I said, simply enjoy the whole house. 楼下独立的1房1卫，有独立出入口，又有自己的小廚房。房間有新裝的地暖、儲藏室、電視接口。樓下間姻親公寓，無論係出租或者自住，都好舒適㗎。Centrally located in San Bruno Park, schools, Millbrae Country Clubs, SFO, BART, shops, and all the restaurants on El Camino. Also, the Tanforan Mall is going to be transformed into a new biotech campus. Imagine the appreciation of this location it's going to give you. Also, very exceptional value and impressive neighborhood. Welcome home. 地理位置优越 ，San Bruno 的 Tanforan Mall 即將改成生物科技公司基地，給周邊的房產增加更多的紅利。行路就去到 El Camino， 行街買餸食飯一應俱全，一齊過嚟睇下。Thank you so much for watching the video with me. When you come over to the open house, we'll show you all around. Also, you probably noticed there's a brand new construction right next door that's almost finishing. Only the best location will attract the developer to pour money in to do brand new house. And when you jump into this property, you'll never regret your decision because of that. 希望你们跟我一样喜欢这个房子。还有一个特别有意思的事情，这条路上其实有很多全新或者加建的房子，只有这个地段充满着潜力，大家才愿意投钱。包括隔壁一个全新的项目。 希望你都一樣咁鍾意。有咩問題，隨時過嚟揾我哋成班人馬等候你。